Today, we're heading out to Santee Lakes. This is a 3-mile loop with about 62 feet of elevation change that you probably won't even notice, and it takes about an hour and 12 minutes round trip if you're walking with your kids in a stroller. This is located in Santee, California, and is a part of the Santee Lakes Recreation Preserve. If this is your first time visiting, my name's Dan. I like making trail reviews, which is where you find yourself right now, as well as sharing the full footage from the trail, which I'll link down below. You can use that for research purposes or following along on the treadmill. When you head to Santee Lakes, there's two things you could do. You could either pay to park, which allows you to easily drive into the park, pay a few bucks, and then you could park anywhere within the lake system. Or if you go to Fanita Parkway, you're able to walk in. There's a staircase that will take you right into the preserve, and you can walk around at your own pace. Typically, this is what I do when I go for my runs. Sometimes if we're on the other side of the lakes, maybe we're visiting for a birthday, then we'll opt to drive in just so we can get closer. Not only can you walk around the lakes, but they do have RV spaces available, as well as cabins that can be rented out. There are a lot of activities here, like fishing, paddle boats, park splash pads, and reserved areas for parties. This isn't just some trail that you're gonna walk around, it's more of an experience, and it's really easy to forget that you're actually in the middle of a desert and that Santee heat. You'll find that there's a lot of bird watchers around taking photographs. Like I mentioned, if you know the Santee area, you'll forget how much of an oasis this is compared to the rest of the desert town. It's a really nice getaway for the locals if you just take it for a walk or a run, or even to hang out and do some of the other activities. One of the things I do recommend if you're bringing your family is go ahead and make a picnic out of it. You know, you can pit stop at many of the playgrounds. You can even get feed from the hut at the entrance to feed the birds. Just make sure you're watching out for the poop. It can be everywhere, especially if they haven't cleaned it up yet. What are you doing? We stop by here whenever we have time, and it's a nice location to have nearby to take advantage of. If you're in the area and you enjoy walks around lakes, this is a great option. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like so I know you like what I'm doing. Comment on your favorite part or where you want to see next, and subscribe for future updates. All right, Adventure fam, stay safe on the trail.